Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street words. One of my favorite words of all time, I filed them myself against many public companies, is 13D. What is a 13D? A form filed on Edgar. When you are acquiring part of a company, you are required to file a 13D if you go over 5%. Now, if you buy more than 5% of the public stock of a public company, you have 10 days once you go over 5% to report your intentions. Now, you file a 13D if you attempt to influence management. Lots of examples of this: Carl Icahn, Perlman, taking over companies, attempting to take over companies. They've got to notify the market when they go over 5%. Today's word is 13D, an important part of an activist and trader's business when they're attempting to take over or influence a public company. I give you 100 examples of 13D filings. One example of this is I'm the chairman and CEO presently, right now, of DPW Holdings, and we filed the 13D against WSI Industries, traded on the Nasdaq. We tried to buy control of the company. We got to about 9.9%. We bid for the company after we filed this 13D, and then someone else stepped in and Polaris bought them for $7 a share, and we were taken out. 13D is the word, an important part of the financing process, and really an important part of paying attention to what activists and potential companies are doing to take over other public companies or control them or in some way influence them. Today's word, 13D. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.